deepest gratitude to His Excellency Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Brotherly Islamic Republic of Pakistan, for convening this important and timely conference.
This ministerial meeting is an excellent opportunity to map out the priorities.
My congratulations for your excellent stewardship of G77 in China.
I wish to thank you, Mr. Chairman, for your continuous leadership of our group this year.
We highly commend Pakistan for its chairmanship in rallying developing countries behind the cooperative and productive efforts.
Thank your country, Pakistan, for effective coordination of group's agenda and positions during the year of your chairmanship.
I would like to express our appreciation to the Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
Minister of Pakistan and his delegation, for the intense work that he has carried out.
I would like to start by thanking Pakistan and its exceptional team here in New York for the outstanding work done as chair of the G77 and China.